All right, family, this is going to be a quick video going over the step-by-step on how to qualify for the zkSync airdrop. It has not been announced yet, but if you look at Optimism, which is another layer 2, if you look at Arbitrum, which is another layer 2 as well, they did big airdrops, people making thousands of dollars with those layer 2 airdrops. Now, zkSync just launched their mainnet, and there was some confusion. I wanted to rephrase everything, make sure everything was in order with a revised video talking about how to qualify for this airdrop. All right, so the first thing is that I was talking about how you're going to bridge on their mainnet, but you're not going to do that. Now, it's a good thing to do, okay? It's a good thing to do because it could, again, advance your chance of getting a bigger airdrop. So I would still do that, what I put in the last video. So I would still do that. But one thing you got to make sure is that you have a MetaMask. You can go to metamask.io right on their website, download it, put it in your Google browser, make it an extension. Make sure you guys have this. Write down your passwords, write down your phrase. That's going to be your key to getting into that wallet. If something happens to the wallet on your laptop or phone, you need this key in order to access this wallet, especially if you have a lot of funds. Write this stuff down. Don't screenshot it. Don't screenshot it to your laptop or phone. Keep it safe on a piece of paper, somewhere in a safe or somewhere in a notebook, somewhere in your home. Okay. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this website, light.zkSync.io, and I'm going to put the link in the description down below to make sure you guys click the correct link. And in this website, you're going to connect your wallet, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on top up, and you're going to scroll down to the bridges where it says bridges and click on zkSync. Now your wallet's already there, so you need to have your Ethereum already in your MetaMask on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, now when you do that, you can do this from Coinbase to your MetaMask. Now, when you do so, you're going to type in whatever ETH you want to put in there, top up. There's going to be a fee, so you're going to have to put a little bit less than the actual amount. If you're just sending it over, or however much you're sending over your Ethereum, leave a little bit for that fee. It's very small, and then you top up. Now, once you have this Ethereum bridged over to that zkSync, because this is the bridge that I was talking about, second thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to ZigZag. Now, this is where you're going to connect your wallet at the top right, and you're going to be able to buy and sell whatever pair that you want to trade, Ethereum USDC, Ethereum USDT, or any other pair. You can pretty much trade a lot of pairs on this website, trade.zigzag.exchange, or you can just go directly to the main website, zigzag.exchange. Now, when you do that, the next step, well, let me back up real quick. What you need to do here is you need to do a bunch of trades throughout these next few weeks, however long it takes for them to drop this coin. They just dropped their mainnet, so the coin can come whenever, but we're going to put you in position to get a higher chance of a bigger airdrop. So calculations is it's about 12 cents or about 14 cents per transaction. Now, if you do 100 of them, 100 transactions, it's only about 12 to 14 bucks. So have enough, per se, for the fees. And I would say, me personally, I want to be putting in $50 to $100 worth. And I want to be doing these trades every single day, all right, till they announce the airdrop. So I have a higher chance of getting a bigger airdrop like Arbitrum. Okay, now they're going to base, from what I understand, just like Arbitrum, I think they're going to base it upon how many days you've been trading actively, as well as how much volume, how many trades of, money you've been buying and selling through their platform. Now, the next step after you do that, you're going to come back to this website and click on NFTs. Now, when you click on that, you're going to mint an NFT, and what it's going to do is it's going to ask for your content address. Now, a lot of you are like, how do I get that? Well, what you're going to do, if you watched that last video, you're going to go to that document. Again, I want to put it in the description down below, and you're going to come down here to where it says mint NFTs on zkSync. All right. Now, when you do that, there's a tutorial. You can go step by step through the tutorial, but there is a website you need to go to, is ipfs.io. And what this is going to do is you're going to take a picture on your phone, from your phone or your laptop, preferably the laptop, and you're going to basically upload it to this website, and it's going to give you a link of your image. All right. Now, when you do that, you're going to take that link and paste it into this content address. All right. And then hit authorize to mint NFT. All right. Now, when you do that, it's going to bring your NFTs up. It's going to show you that you have your NFTs right here, and I have a little check mark. This is actually new. I've had this for a while. I've had this wallet for a while, and I did some old things on it before, so I had some transactions already on here, but I had an NFT, and I saw this NFT, and I'm like, I'm not sure where that came from, so it could have been another airdrop that I got. Not sure how much it's worth. I'm going to have to look into that. Now, that is pretty much all the steps you need to do. Again, you need to have that MetaMask, transfer that Ethereum into that MetaMask. Then you're going to top up. Again, you're gonna bridge it. You're gonna use this bridge over to zkSync. It's gonna bridge your Ethereum from your Ethereum mainnet on your MetaMask to the zkSync Lite mainnet. All right, and then when you do that, you're able to go into ZigZag and make as many trades as you want. Again, it's about 12 to 14 cents per transaction, so very, very small fee. And then you're going to go over to that website, right, that I was talking about, where you're going to copy the link or the address to that picture that you upload. And you're going to paste it right into your address, your content address right here. Well, there's an extra step that they just came out with, is basically getting a checkout link. All right, you're basically able to pay for a link, and this ups your chance to getting a higher and bigger airdrop. All right, so that is pretty much it. I just want to rephrase it. I know it was very confusing in the very first video, so I'm going to take that video off and upload this quick video. Hopefully you guys saw the value to this. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this out. I'm going to be sharing this out in different chats, sharing this out in different Discords and Twitter, and on Twitter. Hopefully you guys saw the value from this. Please get yourself in position to get this airdrop. I'm tired of missing airdrops. I missed Arbitrum. I missed Optimism. I don't like missing things. I like to get that free money. If it's free, it's for me. All right, family. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.